SpaceX is going public this week on June 12th, Friday, and everyone is going crazy. Before you throw your money at this, ask yourself one question. Do you know what you're investing in, what you're getting yourself into? This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Buying into hype or having a fear of missing out by buying into a business without understanding what it is like throwing a dart blindfolded at a dartboard. Meta and Uber, when they IPO'd, when they opened up for public trading, they dropped 10% on the very first day. And these are companies that were being used regularly. SpaceX brought in $18 billion in revenue last year. And in that same year, their losses were reported, or I guess operational costs were reported at $5 billion. Then this year, on the first quarter alone, operation costs or losses were already reported at $5 billion. They're hoping to be valued at $2 trillion when this IPO is open to the public. But sure, Amazon lost money for like 17 years before they became profitable and their stock went through the roof. But Amazon wasn't trying to put people on Mars. So if you are thinking of buying into SpaceX because it might be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, make sure you have a solid foundation first, like your index funds or a very diversified portfolio. Make sure it's money that you're not afraid to lose, because unless you have been studying every aspect of this company, again, it's a gamble. My personal experience, if I was going to do something like this, or when I have done this in the past, because I have with GME, for every dollar that I put onto this bet, I made sure I had $9 or $8 in a boring index fund that is building and keeping my foundation solid. At the end of the day, own your own decision and just make sure you can afford to potentially be wrong. Warren Buffett said it best: be fearful when the world is being greedy, and when the world is getting fearful, you be greedy.